Good morning students and welcome to our e-learning session for class 8. Today we are on lecture number 2 for chapter number 7, that is environmental changes. So before we start this new content and new concept that what we are going to discuss in this lecture, first of all take a recall, quick revision what we have discussed in the previous lecture. Student, as you know, this is one of the important chapter not for only your curriculum but for your daily life, for daily general knowledge, what I can say. So here all the content, all the concepts what we will going to discuss and what we have already discussed, that is the important part for your lifelong learning. As we are human and we are responsible for this environmental changes due to our activities, due to our need, due to our we can say to fulfill our requirement, we are using natural resources and there what we are creating disturbance. So this is our moral responsibility to save our environment, not only as our responsibility, but if we want to live, if we want to survive, if we want to live a healthy life, then it is our responsibility to save our environment, to protect our environment. Okay. So number of points what we will going to keep in mind and what we have to be careful. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the number of issues, number of points that are very much strongly affected and strongly connected to human life. Okay, so we discuss the point first of all, the environment changes. In the simplest term we can say environment means Paryavaran. In the smaller classes, from our smaller classes we are learning environment as a main subject. Okay, so what is environment? Basically environment is the thing around us. Okay, if we are in the smaller classes, then the definition what we are learning, environment, the things whatever are around us, surrounding us, that what we say is the environment. So what we are doing, we are disturbing, we are creating disturbance in our environment, and due to this disturbance, number of changes are creating or the number of changes took place. Okay. So first of all we learn and we started with what is the atmosphere. In Hindi we will say atmosphere मतलब वातावरण. वातों का आवरण मतलब हवा का जो आवरण है, which we can't see, air we can't see, but it is present. Okay. So first of all the air that envelopes the earth from the all side is known as atmosphere. So what is the air? What is the atmosphere? Atmosphere is the envelope. Envelope मतलब क्या? Cover. It's a protective shield. It's like work like an umbrella. Okay. So the envelope which surround us of air, that we say as a atmosphere. In previous lecture I also mentioned, in this I am also insisting you, please underline it. What is the atmosphere? So atmosphere is the envelope of the earth from the all side is known as the atmosphere, and the atmosphere is getting polluted. Now as I said, due to and with the help of different activities, we are adding up the pollution. It can be a land pollution, it can be air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, number of pollution we know. And with our activities, we are creating disturbance in our atmosphere. So this atmosphere is getting polluted due to the number of activities, and the environment get polluted due to the industries, factories, power station and vehicle. These are the few examples. Number of activities we are performing, and due to these activities we are harming our environment. And due to as we are doing the disturbance, as it is get polluted, the changes are occur in the environment, and which is very harmful. Ultimately we are doing bad or doing harm for ourselves only. Okay. Now the changes that occur in temperature, direction of wind, moisture due to the global condition, global warming are known as the environment changes. Now this is the question, what is the environmental changes? So answer is the changes that occur in the temperature, direction of wind, moisture due to the global warming are known as the environmental changes. Now global warming, globe मतलब पृथ्वी, okay, warming मतलब due to this pollution, world temperature, globe temperature is increasing, and due to this increase in the temperature, number of questions are arise. Okay, so what is the environmental changes? So in the simplest term, what we can say, that the changes that occur in the temperature, direction of wind, टेम्परेचर में चेंज होगा, डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड में चेंज होगा. जब डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड में चेंज होता है तो कहीं पे ज्यादा बारिश, कम बारिश, बारिश की पैटर्न चेंज हो जाती है, सीजन्स की पैटर्न चेंज हो जाती है. सो ड्यू टू दिस टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस अकर. ओके, सो द चेंजेस दैट अकर इन द टेम्परेचर, डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड, मॉइस्चर आल्सो, and that is due to the global warming. And why it is happening? It is happening so because of there is a increase in the pollution. Okay, and due to this pollution, global temperature, global warming is increasing, and due to this increase in the temperature, there are change in the temperature, in the direction of the wind, in the level of the moisture, and this changes which occur in the environment, this type of changes are known as environmental changes. Okay, so this definition, as we are talking about the environmental changes only. So this is very important point that you have to keep in mind. Now find out the places that experience extreme rain. One table is given, that what we have solved also, 6 different country which is located in the different part of the world. That what we have discussed also. So Russia we talk, as it is situated, located in the northern hemisphere. Few part lies in the Arctic region also. It's a huge country, we know. Siberia, the snow desert is located there. So Russia, we know the discuss about the heat, maximum and the minimum temperature and the annual rainfall. It is a different than the Iran, Brazil, Norway, Philippines and Saudi Arabia. Few countries are situated in the torrid zone. So it's received the heavy rain. Heavy rain means the hot temperature will be there, hot and humid climate will be there. Few are lies in the temperate zone, so the mixed type of climate, not so hot, not so cold types of climate will be there. So that what we have know this. Norway and Russia, the number of part lies in the polar region, so it is extremely cold, little rain. So this all point what we know and what we have discussed as well. Important point that what we have discussed was the differentiate between the weather and climate. Since from your lower classes we are discussing about the weather and climate, though it sounds same, it's like a synonyms, you know, दोनों को हम एक ही टर्म में यूज कर देते हैं, वेदर और क्लाइमेट को. But now at this level we should understand that the weather and climate is having the different meaning. Weather and climate is not the same. So what is a weather? Weather, it is for a particular period of time. If we talk about the short period of span, that at that time we will consider the changing in temperature, change in the weather or in the rain or the moisture, level of the moisture change for the particular period of time or for the short period of time, then we say it's a weather. So the condition of temperature, rain, moisture, that what we say is the humidity. Okay. So humidity in any region for the particular period of time that is known as a weather. So when we talk about the weather, this phenomenon is for the short period of time. Changes that occur in the nature or in the atmosphere, that is for the short period of time, that what we say it is the weather. Then what would be the weathers? Few two map is given over there. Few places was mentioned there about the Delhi, Ahmedabad and the Lucknow and the Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata and Dibrugarh. Few places are given and the temperature is given. So we can say that what type of weather will be there. Okay, so weather, when we talk about the weather, weather can change in the few minutes, few days, in few it's remain for few hours, few days and for few minutes also. So when we talk about the climate condition for a short period of time, atmospheric condition for a short period of time or for the particular period of time, that what we say is the weather. Then climate. Now what is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is for the short period of time. Climate is a long period of time. Changes occur in the atmosphere. Okay, so the average condition of rain, temperature and moisture for over more than 35 years of time, that is known as the climate. Now average condition, and average is taken more than from the 35 years. Okay, so more than 35 years of the average weather condition, that we consider as a climate. I gave you the example of Bhavnagar, that if someone asks what is the climate of Bhavnagar, so Bhavnagar's climate is dry climate. So this is the differentiate between the weather and condition. Weather, it's remain for a short period of time, whereas if we talk about the climate, we will consider the average climate condition for the 35 years condition. Okay, so this is also the definition that you have to keep in mind. So the average condition of rain, temperature and moisture for over more than 35 years of span, that is known as a climate. And every state, every city will have its own climate. Weather will be changed but the climate remain the same. Okay. So this is the basic difference of the weather and climate what we have discussed. Then the new topic what we have learned. Up to now we have not learned, that is a greenhouse effect. After that greenhouse farming, that what we have learned. So we now know about the different techniques of farming, but we never heard about the greenhouse farming. So the new topic, new content that what we have learned is about the greenhouse farming. So what is a greenhouse farming? So countries with a cold climate receive less heat. Now climate, we are talking about the climate. So throughout the year, for the many year, or that particular country will have the cold climate only. So the area or the country with the cold climate receive the less heat from the sun and the hamper the growth of plant and vegetables. Now we know plants require adequate of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide are very basic requirement to grow the plant. Plant को उगाने के लिए या तो survive करने के लिए क्या चीजें चाहिए? Sunlight. But in the cold country, cold region, they receive very little sunlight. They receive the very little sunlight. So in this area, the vegetation, like to grow the vegetables and do the farming is difficult job. So country with a cold climate receive the less heat from the sun, thus hamper the growth of plant and vegetables. So hence arrangement are made to accumulate adequate heat from the sun. Now farming or to grow the plant, grow the vegetables is a basic requirement. Okay, so what is the solution? Now natural conditions are not favorable in this type of areas. So spatial arrangement is made. So the spatial structure is made up of glass. The roof is made up of glass or the cloth. So the roof is made up of either glass or the cloth to allow the sun rays to penetrate and the sustain the heat inside. ऐसे रूफ बनाए जाते हैं कि जो कांच के या तो कपड़े से बनाए जाते हैं जो सनलाइट हीट को ट्रैप करते हैं, अंदर ट्रैप करते हैं, जो बाहर निकलने नहीं देते. So the roof is made up of either glass or the cloth to allow the sun rays to penetrate and sustain the heat inside the building, and this practice is known as the greenhouse farming. And in that infrastructure, farming possible and the plant grow nicely and it is received the adequate heat or the sunlight. So this is how the farming practice is done, and this practice is known as a greenhouse farming. So concept of greenhouse farming is new for you people. Now changing the climate, a new point, though it is not a new. Number of time we are talking about the changing the climate. Climate मतलब क्या? एक 35 year की average. Okay, now we are having the good concept of weather and climate. Now climate के अंदर change हो जाना. अब climate is a long period process है. Okay, climate को हम consideration 35 years की average लेते हैं. अब पूरा का पूरा climate. Now number of time you have heard from your grandparents, parents. You know, number of time बोलते हैं कि कभी हमने ऐसी गर्मी नहीं देखी, कभी ऐसा मौसम नहीं देखा, ठंडी में गर्मी, गर्मी में बारिश, बारिश में बरसात नहीं, और ठंडी लाइक यू नो मिक्स क्लाइमेट हो चुका है. नाउ नो वन कैन प्रिडिक्ट. सो व्हाट आर द रीजन इन चेंजिंग इन द क्लाइमेट? See on page number 39, 6 pictures are given. 6 different images are given, and here we have to write or we have to explain the condition. What are the reason for this climatic changes? See first two images, if we compare or if we if you focus on these first two images, both the images show the drought situation. सूखे की निशानी है. अब सूखा क्यों होता है? If the area is of deserted area, it means little rain, less than 10 centimeter per annum, or due to some situation very little rainfall, then this type of situation of the drought can occur. अब दोनों पिक्चर में क्या आप देख सकते हो, वहां पे सूखे की एक सूखा पेड़ है और एक रेगिस्तानी आपको जमीन, सूखी जमीन दिख रही है. So this shows, this is the indicator of one climatic change. Due to the change in the climate, number of areas, number of countries or state or the city is receiving very little rain or the situation of no rain. Since last 2 years, we are even Bhavnagar is receiving very little rain. Okay, अभी भी this is the time of the rainy season, but monsoon अभी adequate rain नहीं है भावनगर में. So due to the change in the climate, number of natural famine, like you know, famine है, drought है, flood है, this type of natural disaster occur very occasionally. और बहुत अब frequently भी हो रहा है ये. Few days back in the news, it's given in the heavy rain in the northern part of our country, Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand, हिमाचल प्रदेश में heavy rain, भूस्खलन, लैंडस्लाइड बहुत ज्यादा हुए. 100 of people lost their life. Since last few days, heavy flood is hit in the most of the part of Germany and the Switzerland, and thousands of people lost their life. So this all are the effect of the climate change. Okay, खूब बारिश होना, बाढ़ आ जाना, सूखा पड़ना, this all are the types of natural disaster, and this is the result of the climate change. Climatic change के चलते ये sudden drastic changes हो रहे हैं in the pattern. पूरी पैटर्न जो पृथ्वी की एटमॉस्फेयर, वेदर, क्लाइमेट की जो पैटर्न है, it is almost changed now. So this is the result of climatic change. Okay, as we are disturbing our environment, we are creating number of disturbance in our environment. Due to this environmental changes, there is a changing in the pattern of climate, and due to this climatic changes, number of natural disaster occur. Now see third picture, we can see this flood scenario of flood. Then the glaciers are melting. Due to the global warming, glaciers are melting as it is there is an increase in the global temperature. World temperature is increasing. Okay, and now we know water, it's have a three different state of water, like solid, liquid and gas. When the solid form of the water, that is the ice, melt, it's turned into the liquid form, it's turned into the water bag. Now glaciers are melting due to the global warming. पृथ्वी का तापमान गर्म हो रहा है, इसलिए क्या हो रहा है, ग्लेशियर्स मेल्ट हो रहा है, बर्फ पिघल रहा है। बर्फ का पानी कहाँ जाएगा, नदियों में आएगा, नदी में बाढ़ आएगी, flood आएगा, then that river flooded river, like wash out everything, then it will enter merge with the ocean water, sea water, तो sea का level भी बढ़ेगा। So coastal area, coastal city, coastal country will flooded, it will affected. Okay, another picture, fifth picture is about the deforestation, cutting down the trees. For that also we are responsible, human are responsible. As for our requirement, we are cutting down number of trees. We are creating disturbance in environment. Thousands of animals, birds are losing their abode. Abode मतलब घर, animals, birds जो है वो अपना abode, अपना घर गंवा रहे हैं. As we are cutting down their tree, we are cutting down the trees as they are depend on this tree. So they are losing their abode. Due to that, number of birds, animal, insects extinct हो चुके हैं या तो endangered हो चुके हैं due to our activity. So that is also one of the reason of the climatic changes. As we are destroying the natural surrounding, natural environment, we are cutting down the forest, we are clearing the forest. Forest not only gives us wood, it's stop the soil erosion, it brings the rain, it gives out the oxygen, so it's purify the nature. So with our activities we are creating disturbance, we are creating number of disturbance in the environment, and that is what we say is that shows the changing in the climate. That is the result, our activities is resulted into the climatic changes. Now see sixth picture is about the flood. Now we know Bihar, few part of Uttar Pradesh, every year they are facing the flood. बाढ़ आती है. As they all are situated in the river bank, and all river Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, all are the perennial river. बारहमासी वहाँ पे पानी रहता है, perennial rivers. Okay, they are originated from the glaciers, and they all are the perennial rivers. And this area received the heavy rain, as well as due to this global warming, glaciers are melting. So every year they are facing the natural disaster of flood. I explained you in previous chapter also. Kosi river is considered as the sorrow of Bihar. ठीक है, मैंने आपको समझाया था जब मैंने फ्लड समझाया था, दैट बिहार, कोसी नदी को बिहार का दुख शोक कहा जाता है. एज एवरी ईयर इट इज हैविंग द फ्लड एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल डाइड ड्यू टू दिस फ्लड, एंड crores of rupees we can say that losing. Okay, so this all six picture, it is showing the different condition, natural disaster, but due to this climatic changes, this type of natural disaster, flood, famine, then the glaciers melting, this all are the result of this climatic changes. See, write one sentence about each of the picture given above in your notebook. Not a one line, but you can write 4-5 lines at least. You can write on this point. See, in the example purpose also, if I give you a one picture of this natural disaster, so you can write accordingly. Okay. So due to our activity, as we are creating number of disturbance in the nature, climate change. Climate is changing rapidly. There is a changing in the climate, and it is having the worse effect on our life, on our daily. It is creating the disturbance. Like now we can't predict and natural disaster, we can't stop the natural disaster. Okay, we can, if you disaster, we can predict it. We can do few steps. We can save our life, but we can't stop this natural disaster. So we have to be very much sensible. We have to respect the nature. And then how we can respect the nature? What steps should be taken? What steps should be like we should take? The utmost and the important thing that what we have to keep in mind, that we should not create any single disturbance in environment. How we are creating disturbance? Like we are cutting down the forest, we are cutting down the trees, we are producing number of pollution. That we should not do. See, ultimately it is harming to the mankind. हमने जो पहले गलती कर चुके हैं उसका भुगतान हम लोग कर रहे हैं आज. Whatever the mistake what we will do, our generation have to pay. See this, whatever the mistakes what we are doing, we have to pay it. And with this natural disaster, number of problems is created and we are paying. We are liable to pay this. See, very good example. Entire world is facing pandemic, corona pandemic. Okay. Question that it is a man-made, laboratory made, or it's a nature, whatsoever. But due to our activities, like this problem what we are facing, entire world is facing, कहीं ना कहीं इसके लिए हम लोग जिम्मेदार है. We are responsible for this situation. Okay, nowadays government is like keep a distance, wear a mask, social and physical distance, sanitize your hand and this and that. But if we will be sensible, if we take care of, we will take a proper precaution, if we will be careful how to behave, then the problem will be like resolved. Okay, so same here when we are talking about the environmental changes, ultimately we are responsible as we create this problem. Now if we want to come out from this problem, we have to act, we have to work sensibly, we have to prepare ourselves, we have to modify, we have to change ourselves. As ultimately ये नुकसान सिर्फ एक देश का नहीं है, एक सिटी का नहीं है, बट इट इज अल्टीमेटली लॉस ऑफ एंटायर मैनकाइंड. ये पूरी मानव जाति का नुकसान है. एंड वी आर द पार्ट ऑफ दिस इकोसिस्टम. वी फील दैट वी आर द सुपीरियर इन दिस इकोसिस्टम. वी आर द मोस्ट पावरफुल क्रिएशन ऑफ द ऑलमाइटी. दैट्स ट्रू, बट इट डजंट मीन दैट we are superior and we only have to live a healthy life, or we have the right to live, or we have the power to use all the natural resources how we want. इकोसिस्टम के सबसे सुपर पावर क्रिएचर हम हैं, दैट इज ट्रू, बट इसका मतलब बिल्कुल ये नहीं होता है कि हम इकोसिस्टम में किसी को भी निग्लेक्ट करें, किसी को भी निकाल दें. As you know, a small sparrow or a small ant or a wasp or a bee, एक छोटी सी मधुमक्खी से लेके छोटी सी चींटी तक का उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंस है जितना एक इंसान का है. In the ecosystem, you know that this is the chain. The word what we says, it's a chain like a structure. If you will remove any single organism from that chain, the entire system will collapse. Okay, so whatever the importance as a human we are having, the same importance, same dignity every living organism is having, and we do not have any right to create any disturbance. Ultimately for our development, for our betterment, we are doing the research, we are using different technology, different techniques what we are using, we are introducing for our betterment. But for when we are using this technology, at that time we should keep in mind whatever we are doing, if we will create any disturbance, any harm, directly whether indirectly, in environment ultimately, not now then in future, we have to pay, and that payment will be so high that it will create a problem for entire mankind. आज हमने हमारी एक्टिविटी से ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर में इतना इंक्रीज कर दिया है, सो द ओनली सॉल्यूशन इज टू ग्रो मोर एंड मोर ट्री टू रिड्यूस द यूजेस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक इक्विपमेंट, stop uses of petrol and diesel, and that are the remedies. पर जो हम नुकसान कर चुके हैं उसको हम रिपेयर नहीं कर सकते, हम उसको रिवर्स नहीं कर सकते हैं. So whatever the problems are facing by us, that we have to, so now we have to think for our future or the next generation. अगर हमें उनको वर्स कंडीशन नहीं देनी है, 10 साल के बाद अगर मुझे अच्छे से जीना है, आपको जीना है, तो what is the best solution? We have to be sensible towards the nature. In this pandemic time, one good cartoon was released. Like you know, every family, like one and another way, we all face this pandemic. Okay, and oxygen was the most basic requirement during this pandemic. सो ऐसे मीम्स बन रहे थे कि 10 साल के बाद आपको मेडिकल स्टोर से या तो दुकानों में से ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर खरीदना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू वेयर ऑक्सीजन मास्क पर डे, और एवरी डे यू हैव टू वेयर दैट ऑक्सीजन मास्क. एज ऑक्सीजन, like now due to the air pollution, air is not as much as clear that what we require. Sufficient oxygen supply is not there, so we have to carry the oxygen mask entire day. That was a meme, but it's a reality. ये अगर आज हमने पेड़ों को नहीं बचाया, अगर हमने पॉल्यूशन नहीं बंद किया, अगर हमने अफॉरेस्टेशन पे ध्यान नहीं दिया, तो 10 साल नहीं तो 20 साल, 20 साल नहीं तो 25 साल के बाद ये हालत आएगी that everyone have to carry the oxygen cylinder with them. And that nowadays we are wearing a face mask here and there, so that maybe in the near future सबको ऑक्सीजन मास्क लगा के घूमना पड़ेगा. So this all activities, what we are doing, what we have done, and what we are planning to do, at that time we have to be sensible. We need to think about the changes, the result. हम जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उसके पहले अब दिस इज द टाइम वेयर वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द एनवायरनमेंट. एज विदाउट बैलेंसिंग इन इकोसिस्टम वी कांट सर्वाइव. दो हम कितने ही सुपर पावर है, आज हम चांद पे और मंगल पे पहुंच गए, पर एक छोटा सा वायरस मीन्स व्हाट, स्मॉलर देन द बैक्टीरिया. आज एक छोटे से वायरस ने पूरे दुनिया को धक्का दिया है. 2 साल ऑलमोस्ट होने को आए, पूरी दुनिया 2 साल से लड़ रही है, पर आज भी हमारे पास उसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. सो एवरी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हैव दैट पावर, व्हाट आई मीन टू से. एंड दो वी कंसीडर आवरसेल्फ एज अ सुपीरियर, अगर हम एक छोटे से वायरस को भी कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, सो थिंक आउट इफ दिस टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेटिक चेंजेस जब हो रहे हैं तो हम अपने आप को कैसे बचा पाएंगे. Though the nature is the most powerful element, हम उसके पास कुछ नहीं है. Whatever the techniques, technology, whatever we are having, we are zero. If we talk nature के सामने हमारी शक्ति कुछ नहीं है. Few months back, entire Gujarat coast was hit by Taukte cyclone, and you know the power of cyclone. And we are talking about a small cyclone. So number of changes are taken place in our environment, and which is very harmful for the mankind, and ultimately we are responsible. So we have to behave very respectful, sensible, carefully. Okay, if we want to survive nicely or healthy. Now let's talk on the global warming. This is the hot cake topic. जिसको कहा जाता है हॉट केक टॉपिक है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. इसके ऊपर आप कितना भी बोल सकते हो, करवा सकते हो, आप इसके ऊपर आप एक डिस्कशन डिबेट कर सकते हो. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, अगेन ग्लोबल मतलब पृथ्वी, वार्मिंग गर्म हो रही है. हमारी पृथ्वी गर्म हो रही है, जो आज से 2000 साल पहले जो टेम्परेचर था उससे आज चेंज हो चुका है। 5000 साल पहले कुछ था, 10,000 वी नो अबाउट द डायनासोर टाइम, डायनासोर एज वी नो, Paleolithic and Mesolithic and Neolithic age, what all we have learned, we know everything. Now when we talk, even you have seen the movie Ice Age, एक ऐसा भी समय आया था जब पृथ्वी पर सिर्फ बर्फ ही बर्फ थी, जिसको कहा जाता था आइस एज। Now we know the one age was the डायनासोर युग था, जो करोड़ों साल पहले था, ठीक है, पूरे के पूरे डायनासोर। You all have seen the movie Jurassic Park. So what happened that the mighty dinosaur ring हो गए, तो उसके सामने इंसान की हैसियत क्या है? तो इंसान भी नाश हो सकते। अगर डायनासोर जैसी प्रजाति अगर नाश हो सकती है, अगर आइस एज आ सकता है, नंबर ऑफ एनिमल, मैमोथ यू नो, जो हाथी के जैसे दिखता है, बड़ी लंबी सी उसको ट्रंक है, बड़े बड़े टस्क, जिसको हम मैमोथ कहते थे, इवन मैमोथ भी रहते थे पृथ्वी पे। तो अगर मैमोथ नाश हो सकते हैं, डायनासोर एंड हो सकते हैं, सो इफ वी वांट टू सर्वाइव, अगर हमें भी हिस्ट्री नहीं बनना है, सो वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल। एंड द नंबर मेजर इश्यू द एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज फेसिंग इज अबाउट द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। हमारी पृथ्वी गर्म हो रही है और पृथ्वी में 1 डिग्री टेम्परेचर का भी फर्क, और उसकी कीमत हम लोग जो चुका रहे, या तो हमको जो चुकानी पड़ेगी, इट इज अनबेरेबल, इट इज अनबेरेबल, वी कांट पे इट। जस्ट थिंक आउट, आज एक कोरोना वायरस की कीमत जो हम लोग चुका रहे, लाख ऑफ पीपल लूज देयर लाइफ, लाखों लोगों ने अपनी जान गंवा दी। वेदर इट इज मेड इन द लेबोरेटरी और इट इज अ नेचुरल, व्हाटसोएवर, दैट इज अ सेकेंडरी क्वेश्चन, बट व्हाट प्राइस वी आर पेइंग। एंटायर वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन बद से बदतर हो चुकी है, लॉकडाउन है, आधी दुनिया के लोग घर के अंदर है, एंड नंबर ऑफ उसके चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, यू नो, एंटायरली वी चेंज, वी हैव टू मॉडिफाई आवरसेल्फ। सो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंटायर ग्लोब, एंड इट इज ड्यू टू द एक्टिविटीज व्हिच इज कंडक्टेड बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग, व्हिच इज द रिजल्ट। What is the result? There is an increase in the temperature, global temperature बढ़ रहा है, and due to this global warming, number of disaster, number of result, it is like a wave, एक के बाद एक waves आती है उसकी result की, and we have to pay very hard। इसकी कीमत जो इंसान चुका रहा है, चुकाई है, और जो अब चुकानी पड़ेगी in future, it is very high, what we have to pay। So global warming refer to an unequal and the continual rise in the average temperature of earth climate system due to the greenhouse gases। underline कर दो ये सबसे पहले, this two line, we are on page number 39। so what is a global warming? So this two line is very important। So global warming refer to an unequal। Now what word we are using? Unequal। Equally increase नहीं होता, कोई साल बहुत ज्यादा increase होता है, कोई साल कम होता है। Okay, so the global warming refer to an unequal and continuous rise। It is a rise in the temperature, जो temperature continuous unequal proportion में बढ़ता है। So global warming refer to an unequal and कंटिन्यूअल राइज इन द एवरेज टेम्परेचर, पृथ्वी का जो एवरेज टेम्परेचर है उसके अंदर इंक्रीज हो रहा है। ओके, सो द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग रिफर टू एन अनइक्वल एंड कंटिन्यूअल राइज इन द एवरेज टेम्परेचर ऑफ अर्थ क्लाइमेट सिस्टम ड्यू टू द ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस। अब यहाँ पे नया शब्द आया, ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस। ग्रीन हाउस gases। We start the lesson with the atmosphere। Atmosphere means what? It's the envelope of air। Okay, हमारे आजू बाजू air is present, air is present all around us। We can speak, we can see with the help of air। Now air, what do we understand with the air? Air is a मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस. हवा मतलब क्या? इट्स अ मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस. सो विच टाइप ऑफ गैसेस? नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, methane, ethane, helium, ozone. Number of gases are present. It's a mixture of gases. Air actually it's a mixture of different gases. So what is a global warming? As it is an indication of increase in the temperature, average temperature of the earth. And why it is happening so? As it is an increase in the greenhouse gases. ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस मतलब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. पृथ्वी में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के प्रपोर्शन जो बढ़ रहा है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का प्रपोर्शन क्यों बढ़ रहा है? ड्यू टू आवर ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज. ड्यू टू द पॉल्यूशन देयर इज अ इंक्रीज इन द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मीथेन एंड इथेन एंड नाइट्रोजन, एंड देयर इज अ इंक्रीज ड्यू टू आवर एक्टिविटीज. एंड ड्यू टू द this poisonous number of poisonous gas also we are adding into the atmosphere. And this addition of different gases and few gases, greenhouse gases, due to this increase in this gases is increase in the temperature. Global temperature is increasing, and that situation we say it's a global warming. So what we understand now, see, the global warming refer to an unequal and continuous rise in the temperature. Okay. And that is climate system due to the greenhouse gases. As there is an increase in the greenhouse gases, the global temperature is increasing, and this situation we will refer as a global warming. Okay. So it occur when certain gases, so certain gases मतलब कोई एक fixed gases के proportion में changes होते हैं. So that specially we can say increase in the carbon dioxide. Okay. So in occur when the certain gases in the atmosphere entrap in fact in the radiation of UV rays. Now we know about the ozone gas. We have learned in previous class also about the ozone layer. Ozone layer is a protected layers. Okay, it's a protected layer of the earth which protect us from the UV rays, ultraviolet rays. सूर्य में से जो सन की प्रकाश के साथ जो अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज आते हैं वो कहाँ पे अटकते हैं? इट्स लाइक अ अम्ब्रेला, इट्स लाइक अ ओजोन लेयर जो है, ओजोन गैस है जो ट्रैप करता है. नाउ ड्यू टू आवर एक्टिविटीज दैट व्हाट वी डन और व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, पॉल्यूशन के चलते ओजोन लेयर, मैंने आपको प्रीवियस क्लास में भी बताया था, देयर इज अ बिग होल ऑफ 40 किलोमीटर. कितना? 40 किलोमीटर का आर्कटिक रीजन के अंदर पूरा एक होल हो चुका है. Now we use the umbrella in the rainy season. What is the work of umbrella? It protects us from the rain. But think out, if there is a hole in our umbrella, so what happens? आप गीले हो जाओगे, बारिश का पानी umbrella के अंदर से आपको गीला कर देगा. तो सेम सिचुएशन अब हमारी पृथ्वी की हो चुकी है. As there is a big hole in ozone layer, आर्कटिक रीजन के अंदर भी 40 किलोमीटर का बड़ा एक होल हो चुका है, और इस होल के चलते अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस पृथ्वी के अंदर आ रहे हैं. नाउ दिस यूवी रेस कॉज द इंक्रीज इन द टेम्परेचर. वन ऑफ द रीजन, ये अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस स्किन कैंसर भी करता है. मैंने आपको ये समझाया हुआ है. इट इज वन ऑफ द रीजन फॉर द स्किन कैंसर. Okay, one of the reason to increase in the global temperature as well. So it occur when the certain gases in the atmosphere entrap infrared radiation. Infrared जिसको हम देख नहीं सकते, infrared जो लाइट्स होते हैं आपको पता है, जैसे हम एक्सरे करने जाते हैं, सीटी स्कैन करने जाते हैं, जो हमारी इमेजेस लेते हैं, एक्सरेज जिसको हम बोलते हैं, उसी तरह के रेज होते हैं, किरणें होती है. सो इंफ्रारेड रेडिएशन जिसको हम कहते हैं यूवी रेज. This effect makes the planet warmer, which subsequently reaches a global warming. अब वापस समझो क्या हुआ. Due to our activities which increasing the pollution, due to this pollution वहाँ पे ओजोन लेयर पे एक बड़ा सा होल बन चुका है. As कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का प्रपोर्शन बढ़ गया, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड का बन गया, ऑक्सीजन कम हो रहा है, डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है, अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन pollution हो रहा है, early disturbance it is creating, and due to this disturbance and due to this whole, now the infrared rays are entering to our world. हमारी पृथ्वी पे अल्ट्रा इंफ्रारेड रेज एंटर हो रहे हैं. This rays, one of the responsible reason for the global warming. Due to this rays, now जो हमारा global temperature है वो increase हो रहा है. See in this diagram, greenhouse effect and global warming. See you can see that the absorber जो है, ओजोन जो एब्जॉर्ब करता है, अब ओजोन लेयर के अंदर हमने होल हो चुका है, और एक जगह पे नहीं, काफी जगह पे ओजोन लेयर पे होल हो चुके हैं. एंड इट्स अ प्रोटेक्टेड शील्ड, एक जो हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है यूवी रेज से, सन के गर्मी से जो हमें बचाता है, दैट इज द ओजोन लेयर. एंड देयर आर नंबर ऑफ होल्स, एंड फ्यू होल्स आर मोर देन 40 किलोमीटर, लाइक यू नो 40 किलोमीटर के बड़े होल हो चुके हैं. एंड ड्यू टू दिस होल UV rays are entering to our, approaching to our earth. Now this is result due to this infrared rays, temperature हमारा बढ़ रहा है. Even side effect I told you, skin cancer, जो अभी कैंसर के केसेस जो बढ़ रहे हैं, स्किन कैंसर के, स्पेशली if we talk, that is one of the reason what we can behind this. Okay, so see the reflected, the absorber, escaping the radiation. अब जो हमारी एक्टिविटीज है, ड्यू टू नंबर ऑफ एक्टिविटीज लाइक व्हीकल्स emission, gas emission from the factories, we are burning the, like you know, paper and the number of things what we are petrol and diesel, due to the deforestation, else we are polluting almost all element of the nature. Basically 5 natural element है, we are creating disturbance one or another way. Okay, and due to this disturbance, as we are creating the disturbance in the balance of the nature, okay, and this is the result of that imbalance, and ultimately we are the payer and we have to pay very hard. See, due to this activities, number of animals, birds, insects extinct हो चुके, दुनिया में से चले गए हैं, उनका कोई अंश नहीं है. Even number of, you know, we have to shout now, save sparrow, save tiger, save elephant, even the bee and the wasp, जिसको हम भौरा और मधुमक्खी कहते हैं. You know, we feel what is the importance of honey bee. अगर दुनिया में मधुमक्खी ना हो तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अगर मधुमक्खी नहीं होगी तो हम लोग भी जिंदा नहीं रह सकते. It is having the as important part of like a human, as a chain. What is our importance? Same importance is having like a bee and a wasp, and even ant is having. Okay, if we take out, if we remove any one chain, if any one element from the ecosystem or from the food chain, the entire chain will collapse. मधुमक्खी के चलते हमें लगता है कि भाई क्या फर्क पड़ेगा. ओके, तो पॉलिनेशन नहीं होगा, पॉलिनेशन नहीं होगा तो प्लांट्स आप ज्यादा ग्रो नहीं हो सकते. अल्टीमेटली आज नहीं तो कल द क्लाइमेटिक चेंज आएगा. अल्टीमेटली वी विल बी द सफरर. ओके, सो सी ड्यू टू द CFC, डिफॉरेस्टेशन, ऑयल एंड पेट्रोल इंजन, 10 साल के बाद आज हम जिस तरह से पेट्रोल डीजल, इट्स अ फॉसिल फ्यूल, वी नो petrol, diesel, kerosene, all are the fossil fuel. We are getting this fossil fuel from the nature, and to make this fossil fuel बनने के लिए लाखों साल लगते हैं, though it is a natural process. Okay, we know about the different types of rock, igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks and everything what we have learned also. So sedimentation होता है, it's take lakh of year, एक तो 25-50 साल, 100-500 साल में नहीं होता है. पेट्रोल भी बनेगा, डीजल भी बनेगा, पर इट विल टेक thousands lakh of year, and we will, our lifespan is for 70-80 years. आज जो स्पीड से हम पेट्रोल डीजल का यूज कर रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट इन 20 years पूरी दुनिया में से पेट्रोल डीजल खत्म होने वाला है. सो थिंक आउट, आज हमारा मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल वर्क, गाड़ियां चलती है, सब पेट्रोल डीजल से चलती है. अब लोग जो सोलर पावर, इलेक्ट्रिक पावर से गाड़ियां चलाने की कोशिशें कर रहे हैं, दैट इज द रीजन. हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक कार आ चुकी है, So we have to come out with a solution. As we know, after 10-20 years, sources will be finished. So we have to come out with a solution. We have to think out of the second option. ये सब हम सोलर एनर्जी ना विंड एनर्जी ना ये सब हम ऐसे नहीं कर रहे टाइड एनर्जी, बिकॉज वी नो दैट द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर इन द abundant powers and thus resources will finish in a few years how we are using just now. Okay, and we have to come out with a different solution. So that all are the steps what we are taking. See, what is the reason what I mean to say CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Now we all use with the AC. Okay, हम सब बिना AC के अब थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है हमारी लाइफ जीने का. 1 घंटा 2 घंटा भी AC चलाने का गैरफायदा मतलब उसका नुकसान क्या है? इट्स प्रोड्यूस अ CFC, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन पैदा करता है गैस. ठंडी तो हमें देता है पर बाहर रिड्यूस CFC होता है, एंड विच इज वन ऑफ द greenhouse gas, which is one of the reason for increase in the global temperature. आज पूरी दुनिया में हर एक जगह पे एसी का यूज हो रहा है. ओके, एज इमिशन में होता है पेट्रोल डीजल, आप कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, वी आर इंक्रीजिंग. सो विद द नंबर ऑफ एक्टिविटीज वी आर इंक्रीजिंग ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. रेफ्रिजरेटर, सबके घर में फ्रिज होता है. अब तो फ्री आपके फ्रिज आ गए जहां पे लिखा होता है CFC फ्री, ये CFC प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता, पर अब तक और अभी भी बहुत सारे घरों में ऐसे फ्रीज है कि जो CFC प्रोड्यूस करता है. सो अल्टीमेटली वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग दिस एज इट इज फैसिलिटेटेड अस. हमें फ्रीज एक बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट हो चुकी है, AC हमारी एक बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट हो चुकी है, एंड व्हाट वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग, रिजल्ट क्या है उसका? CFC. सो अल्टीमेटली इफ आई एम यूजिंग दैट, आई एम रिस्पांसिबल टू प्रोड्यूस एज मच एज प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ CFC इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. एंटायर मैनकाइंड इज यूजिंग. कहीं ना कहीं हर एक, अब ऐसा तो कोई घर शायद नहीं है कि जहाँ पे फ्रीज नहीं होगा. सो वी आर इंक्रीजिंग दिस लेवल. ऑलमोस्ट गर्म प्रदेशों में हर एक जगह पे AC है. हमको भी रात को 10 घंटा 8 घंटा विदाउट AC वी कांट स्लीप. सो व्हेनेवर वी आर यूजिंग AC वी आर इंक्रीजिंग CFC इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. और दुनिया में हम सोचे मैंने एक ने चालू किया, उसमें क्या, हर कोई यही सोचता है कि मैंने एक ने चालू किया तो क्या नुकसान हो गया, मैंने तो 2 घंटा किया 3 घंटा किया. बट यू जस्ट एड अप दैट 2 hours 3 hours इन डेली बेसिस. सो हाउ मच वी आर इंक्रीजिंग CFC, then that is a greenhouse gas. So ultimately myself, you, we all are responsible for this global warming. We can't only blame to the industry, we can't blame to the government. कि मैंने कहा गाड़ी चलाई, मैं गाड़ी नहीं चलाती तो मैंने कहा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज्यादा यूज फ्लो किया या तो पेट्रोल डीजल को मैंने खराब किया. वी कांट वी कांट गिव एक्सक्यूज as ultimately whatsoever activities is done by the human or mankind intentionally or regular basis, whatever we are doing, some or other way we are increasing the greenhouse gases, and ultimately it result in the global warming. And everyone, ऐसा नहीं कि छोटा बच्चा बच जाता है कि बड़ा बूढ़ा कोई जो यूज नहीं कर रहा है. We have to pay equally. Everyone is paying equally. Okay. So see, CFC, deforestation, oil and petrol engines, then the greenhouse gases, fossil fuel, radiation absorbed. Now, very good example. Apart from study, I would like to say. Now, due to this pandemic, online classes are going. As a teacher, we are using mobile. As a student, you all are using mobile, and you are using more hours of the mobile. और मोबाइल इट्स अ फैसिलिटेटर अब हो चुका है, पर आप बिना मोबाइल के अपनी लाइफ आप थिंक नहीं कर पाओगे. बट मोबाइल का एक्सेसिव यूज इट्स क्रिएट, यू विल बी द सफरर ऑफ द कैंसर फ्रॉम द कैंसर. मोबाइल का एक्सेसिव यूज इट विल इफेक्ट टू योर आईज. यू वॉन्ट बिलीव फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 year पैंडेमिक शुरू हुआ है 2019 दिसंबर में, फर्स्ट केस वुहान में आया था, तब से लेके आज, ठीक है, 33% चिल्ड्रन ऑफ योर एज और ऑफ एनी एज नाउ दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द आई डिजीजेस. मायोपिया जिसको कहा जाता है, नंबर लग गए, चश्मे लग गए. इट इज वन ऑफ द मेजर कॉज फॉर द कैंसर. bone cancer. As we are continuously we are holding our mobile, we are using our mobile in times like in the high risk we are doing, and ultimately who is sufferer? Myself, you, those who are using in this way, we are the sufferer. Why I give this example? As we have to be very much careful whatever we are doing. See, AC, हमको लगता है कि भाई गर्मी में कैसे रहा जाए, के टेम्परेचर 40-45 डिग्री इज फाइन, बट आप कूलिंग के लिए थोड़ी देर कर दो, then you have to adapt, you have to modify yourself if you want to live. Ultimately it's a question on your survival, on our survival. Okay, मोबाइल के बिना कैसे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस होगा, 3 hours 4 hours is fine, that keep your mobile outside, don't keep with you. Ultimately from your childhood, from your womb, mother's womb, आप माँ के पेट में जब आए हो तब से आपके शरीर में रेडिएशन जा रहा है, ये रेडिएशन क्रिएट करता है. दिस इज अ इंस्ट्रूमेंट, इट इज फॉर आवर बेटरमेंट, फॉर आवर हेल्थ, बट इट्स क्रिएट रेडिएशन, एंड अल्टीमेटली हु विल बी सफरर? We all will be the sufferer. A small baby who is like still in the cradle, जो अभी भी पालने में उसकी माँ रह रही है, तो मम्मा के पास भी मोबाइल है, वो रेडिएशन वो बच्चे के अंदर जा रहा है, इट इज एंटरिंग इन योर बोन, एंड अल्टीमेटली वी आर द सफरर. अब 33% स्टूडेंट्स चिल्ड्रन आर लाइक सफर फ्रॉम द मायोपिया, आपके नंबर बढ़ गए, उसमें भी काफी बच्चे इन दिस पैंडेमिक, आई एम टॉकिंग इन दिस फ्यू मंथ की मैं बात कर रही हूं, दे लॉस देयर आईसाइट, ब्लाइंड हो चुके हैं बच्चे. सी द इफेक्ट. क्यों हमने ये सब कर रहे हैं? अल्टीमेटली ड्यू टू आवर एक्टिविटीज वी आर द सफरर एंड वी हैव टू पे वेरी हार्ड. ये जो हम कीमत चुका रहे हैं अपनी जान से, ऐसे डिजीज कि जिसकी कोई दवाई नहीं है. वंस यू लॉस योर आईसाइट, इट इज नॉट लाइक ऑपरेशन और हर बार पॉसिबल नहीं होता कि यू विल गेट अनदर, लाइक यू विल नॉट गेट द डोनेशन ऑफ द आई. सो दिस ऑल आर द इफेक्ट that what entire mankind is suffering. It is not the problem of any one country, but it's a global problem. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ भारत में ये क्वेश्चन है, दुनिया का डेवलप कंट्री, डेवलपिंग कंट्री या तो पुअर कंट्री, everyone is suffering from this type of problem. So everyone, if I am myself or you or we or as a society, we have to respect the nature. We have to be very much respectful towards the nature. अगर हमें जिंदा रहना है, अगर हमारी जनरेशन को अच्छा रहना है, if we don't want to lose, if we don't want to face any problem, that we have to be respectful towards the nature. Ultimately, nature is the most powerful element. And if we want to live, if we want to survive in a proper, in the healthy manner, we have to respect. So, one example is given over here कि cover your face with a blanket. सर्दियों के मौसम में हम लोग ब्लैंकेट रात को सोने के वक्त लेते हैं ना ब्लैंकेट. सिर्फ एक काम करो, 2 मिनट 5 मिनट के लिए कंबल को ओढ़ के बैठ जाओ फॉर 5 मिनट. 5 मिनट में पसीना पसीना हो जाओगे और यू विल फील कि अरे भाई ऐसा कोई कंबल पहन के कौन बैठता है. अब ये जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है ना, ये हमने ये कर दिया है, हमारी पृथ्वी को एक कंबल उड़ा दिया है, जिससे ना वो हमारी पृथ्वी अच्छे से सांस ले पा रही है, पूरी पृथ्वी अंदर से गर्म हो रही है. द सेम सिचुएशन इज हैपेंड विद आवर अर्थ, मदर नेचर. आपने एक गर्मी के सीजन में आपने एक बड़ा सा कंबल, मोटा वाला कंबल आपको ओढ़ के बैठ जाना है. 5-7 मिनट में यू विल स्वेट, आपको पसीना निकलने लगेगा, यू कांट ब्रीथ इट प्रॉपरली, you will like कि आपको कंजक्शन वहां पे पूरा ऐसा हो जाएगा कि you can't breathe properly also. The same situation is happened with our earth कि हमने एक पूरे जैसे गर्मी का, पूरे ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस का एक कंबल बना दिया है, and now our mother earth can't breathe properly. और पृथ्वी के अंदर का वातावरण अब टेम्परेचर इतना गर्म हो रहा है कि पसीना मतलब वो एक प्रॉपर तरीके से हमारी अर्थ ब्रीथ भी नहीं कर पा रही है. सो दिस इज द सिचुएशन. हु डू दिस? हु डिड? वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. वी द ह्यूमन, आवर एक्टिविटीज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. get heated, and what are the result, what are the effect. In next lecture we will going to discuss. Okay, so here I would like to assign you homework about write your opinion about the global warming. Okay, I want in your own word, what do you understand with the global warming? See, this is the very important, as I said, पढ़ाई के लिए तो आज पढ़ लोगे, 9th में आओगे तो और कुछ पढ़ोगे, पर ये लाइफ टाइम आपको सीखना है. You how you can be the responsible towards the nature. So what is global warming? This is your homework, and I want your answer very deeply, very nicely. You have to give your idea concept in your own word. Okay, this is the only question what I want to assign just now. What is global warming? Just write your own idea, your own thought. Okay, so in next lecture we will going to continue the same chapter, and further we will discuss the number of points. And student, ultimately you all are the student of Gyan Manjari. We are unique from other. As you know my system, every year I am insisting you on your birthday plant at least one tree. On every birthday you just celebrate your birthday, I find, no worries. But show your responsibility towards the nature. Plant trees as much as you can. Don't cut the trees. Stop trying to don't add the pollution in the nature. So this all are in our hand. ये हम सब कर ही सकते हैं, और हमें अगर जिंदा रहना है तो हमें ये करना भी है. So with this message I am ending up this lecture. Take care of yourself. In next lecture we will continue this chapter. Thank you and goodbye.